So far, we are confident. The two institutions have managed to fulfill most of the requirements. For Pwani, they've done well, excellent. They're ready, and we are happy. Of course, we at Shanzu, we've gone round. There are a little bit of a few things that needs to be done. We've already shared with the principal. He's happy to get that feedback and is ready to work on the same this afternoon, so that by tomorrow, once the learners come in, then everything is set. For Shanzu, they've done much of what is expected of them. They've fulfilled social distancing 100%. The students are spaced out in each of the classes quite well. The hostels are spaced out well, observing the protocol, the social distance that is expected. The only thing probably they need to improve on this afternoon is to improve, to add more water points to strengthen the hygiene in this place by having more extra or forever, having extra water points, strategic places, like in front of some of the classes where we've observed that they are missing, and also give them option of the sanitizers by having them, on the wall for each of the classes. That's all.
Don't you think that is an essential, so they should not be open?
But no. That's something they are ready to do this afternoon. So there's nothing wrong with that. We are just adding more. It is there. We are just enhancing, okay?
What
yeah.
about the temperature checks? We noticed that
everything is set. In fact, they are giving mask, washable mask for each student, 2. That's a good thing. So that means there's no excuse when it comes to masking. They have thermal guns to check temperatures in each of the classes. That's quite impressive. And they have sanitizers ready. They just need to get the right containers to place in front of each of the classes. And we've specified where they need to add more water points. That's not a lot. And we are happy.
We shall be ready. We are ready for students. These are my colleague lecturers. They are already ready to receive the students. And by Wednesday, we are going to start teaching. Students, we are expecting 310 students. Those are finalists who are supposed to do exam in July, but they were told to go home when we had COVID situation, and therefore they are coming back for only 2 months to do the exams from November. And then up to December, they thought they will be through. Maybe financial challenges, because as you realize, we have not had students for quite some time, and our source of finances comes directly from the students, with some little money that is given to us by the government in form of grant to take care of the salaries of the students. So actually that may have been a challenge which we have been facing, and it is not only in this college, it is all over the Republic of Kenya. Yeah, so if you have sponsors and you can sponsor us, we are going to be very happy. Yeah, or you bring some of them here, we shall be happy at least to receive the response.